Hey guys, it's time to unbox the new Lenovo K6 Note phone, which has been officially launched here in Pakistan and I think India as well. So it's costing around $250, which is about 25,000 PKR. So you can grab this phone from your nearby shop. So nice looking box, and on the back we have the specifications. So this phone is coming with a 5.5-inch 1080p display here, which is IPS. We got 3 gigs of RAM. We have 32 gigs of internal storage, 16 megapixel camera, and 8 megapixel front camera, and 4,000 milliampere battery. I think this phone is going to be like one of the best like budget phones of this year. And there's gonna be a big battle between this one and the Honor 6X and the Galaxy A 2017 series. So those phones are also coming pretty soon. So we do have like warranty stuff, and obviously like it's the official release. So got one little seal here that I'm going to cut, and here we go. So this is the Lenovo phone right on the top, okay, and we're gonna take a look at this one. But first, let's check the accessories, the stuff that we get other than the device. We have the SIM ejecting tool, okay, that is nice, and we also have some paperwork here that I'm sure nobody will read. Obviously, if you want to learn about your phone, then you can read it. If you are new to this stuff. We also got this screen protector, which is quite nice. Okay, this one includes the charger. So this is the charger we have. Okay, I think this one supports fast charging. Not quite sure about that. Obviously, I'll be doing my full review and other stuff. So, and this is the USB cable we have. So I'm just gonna quickly open this thing up just to see if it's Type-C or not. So let's see here. Okay, so it is not Type-C. It's the normal old port. Okay, and then we have another box here, which is I think the headphones. So let's see here. Yeah, these are the headphones, and they're looking quite like normal, normal headphones, nothing special, nothing too exciting. And let's take a look at the phone itself here, the star of the show, Lenovo K6 Note phone. Just gonna bring this one out, and okay, zoom out and look at the build quality. Wow, feels really good in hand. It's a pure metallic build, and I'm just gonna remove the plastic. We have this front sticker, so I'm gonna peel this one off as well. Here we go. Let's just boot this one up. Okay, I felt a vibration, and there we go. So it is coming with Android 6.0.1 Marshmallow. We got these 3 buttons down here, so no on-screen buttons. Fingerprint scanner, really nice positioning, camera, 16 megapixel camera on the back with the dual LED flash. We got the 3.5mm headphone jack on the top, charging port down here with the speaker, and volume rocker and the power button are on the right side. So let's just quickly get through the setup, and I'm just gonna skip this. Obviously you can set it. No SIM card at the time here. No thanks. Okay. And I have to say, the display is actually looking pretty good. I don't know if you can see it through camera, but it looks really good. So, are we done? Okay, so we are done, and let's see. Nice little UI. So it is in collaboration with Motorola, so the UI is looking super good, kind of like stock, so the quick settings area is looking very much like stock. You got different options here. Let's check out the settings, which is also looking like having pure Android 6.0.1 Marshmallow. So I have to say, this is a really good looking phone with a good software. The middle one is the home button, and on the right we got the back button, and this is the multitasking button. So 3 gigs of RAM. I would love to check out its performance, you know, how well it will perform in a speed test battle. Snapdragon 430 processor, which I haven't checked out before, you know, it's like my first ever Snapdragon 430 device. So taking a look at the camera, this is a 16 megapixel camera sensor that can take nice pictures. Okay, dual LED flash. Obviously, I'll be testing that out in the full review and other comparisons. And also, we got this button here, which gives us different modes. So, we got the Pro mode, which allows us to change the ISO, white balance, other stuff. And we can just go back. And we got slow motion, fast motion, HDR. So, yeah, the modes are good. We are not missing out on anything in the main settings. You can also change a lot of stuff. You can record videos all the way up to 1080p HD. So I'm really excited about this device here. The price is really good. I mean, price to specs ratio is pretty nice. And again, it's a collaboration between Lenovo and Motorola. So the software is looking very nice and feels quite snappy actually. So I'm definitely going to be doing some comparisons and checking out if this phone really worth it or not. We have Honor 6X coming pretty soon, actually tomorrow, so please stay tuned. And yeah, see you guys in my next video. Peace.